Did you know that in 2019, archaeologists used drone technology to uncover a lost city in Amazon rainforest? Isn't it interesting? This discovery would have been nearly impossible with just shovels and brushes. And it's a perfect example of how technology is revolutionizing archaeology. Today, we are going to explore how tools like drones, 3D scanners, and AI are literally changing the way we uncover the past and why it actually matters. So welcome to this wonderful presentation, and I'm Asif Fardous Zidnee, currently studying at the Department of Archaeology, Kumila University, second year. And I'm quite delighted to share my thoughts on this presentation where computer meets archaeology. So here are our agendas. I will give a brief about the introduction, then talk about how archaeology evolved from past to present with the advancement of technologies. Then we will share some thoughts about computer usage in archaeology. And lastly, we will talk briefly about the future. Will its future be a bright one, equipped with technologies and computer sciences? So then we will conclude our speech. So first of all, introduction. So we will all about talking about computers and technologies and how they're shaking things up in archaeology. So archaeology is a very common term. We have been hearing this term in reels, YouTube videos, or in movies also. But what does it refers to? Archaeology basically it involves the studying of past human life through different artifacts or little things analyzation, and it helps us to reconstruct the past through them. And then we have computer technology. Computer technology refers to tools, softwares, systems that process, store, and analyze data using computers. This include things like databases, 3D modeling software, geographic information system, a very common term used in archaeology, drones, a revolutionizing software like artificial intelligence and virtual reality. These tools helps us to manage information, digital data, and automate our task. Then we have the connection between archaeology and computer technology. Archaeology focuses on studying past human life through material remains like artifact structures and technological. Computer technology, meanwhile, it involves programmable machines and digital tools for data processing, modeling, and simulation. Their connection allows computer to analyze archaeological data, improve research, and create accurate, detailed reconstructions of history. So isn't it great? Because these are literally revolutionizing the archaeology. So I will brief the archaeological past to present. So in the traditional methods, just picture a team of archaeologists. Like they are carefully digging with small tools, sketching maps by hand, and cataloging every artifact in the notebooks. Excavation that could take years after years after years. Analyzing the finds were quite slow and painstaking. It was effective, but it had limitations, especially when it comes to exploring hard to reach places like dense jungles and deserts. And in modern times, we are using modern technologies like GIS or geographic. Then we have environmental monitoring systems, digital documentation and preservation softwares. And then we have GIS, artificial intelligence, machine learning, 3D modeling, that is literally making 3D models of different archaeological sites, and we can analyze those sites without going in there. Then we have remote sensing and devices, aerial surveys through drones. Drones are literally giving us a bird eye view of that entire place where we can see the crop marks and analyze where the artifact density might be. And then we have statistical and simulation software, quite important for the future of archaeology. Then how do computers lessen the time required? So it's a great thing because computers also speed things up big time. They crunch data fast with automated processing, make surveying a breeze with tools like GPS, predict where to look next, and keep everything running smoothly. What used to take weeks, like mapping sites, can be done in a day. And then we have future. So the future of archaeology is quite bright, equipped with computers, because these computer technologies are literally prospering archaeology. Absolutely, that is quite true, because they are increasing efficiency by speeding up discoveries, enabling new finds like hidden sites, and preserving cultural heritage through digital records. Plus, they are enhancing accuracy with precise tools and expanding accessibility, so anyone can explore history from anywhere. Recently, we have found a site in Lalmai, and we will use archaeological things to analyze and reconstruct the past about that particular site. So, in conclusion, the future of archaeology is quite bright, because we have loads of different computer-aided tools, AI, and loads of other digitalized data documenting tools that can help archaeological research to go more further. So that's it. Thank you for listening to my presentation. It's an honor to share my thoughts and opinions on this presentation. So thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.